So questions like this, or this. Is Wise available in the Philippines? So my answer to that is yes. But my wise advice would be plan your transfer first. And I mean, kung regular na rin po rin naman kayong nagpapadala sa Pilipinas or from anywhere in the world, make sure po na makakatipid kayo because every day the rate changes. So if you have a rate in mind already, like, okay, sa range na to, okay lang kung magpadala. So, or you can set it up automatically po to convert and transfer your money from your Wise account to the other bank account. So, pag wala pa po kayong Wise account, you can open a Wise account anytime you want or anytime you're ready. And ipoprovide ko na lang po sa description box yung link kung saan po kayo pwedeng mag-open ng account. Which is, kung gagamitin niyo po yan, meron po kayong discounted rate or let's say, yung first ever transfer niyo po, makaka-discount po kayo nun.